There is so much to love about 67 Botanica Circuit here in Doonan. We've got an expansive floor plan with large bedrooms and living spaces, an amazing swimming pool with outdoor entertaining area, and enough storage space to cater for anyone's needs. This is a home I can't wait to show you, so come with me and let's go take a look.
Don't tell me to calm down. Look all around us here.